Welcome to, or welcome back to, Sow Grow. My name is Luke. Today we're going to take the Brush Chief 5-foot rotary mower on my Kioti CK2610 SE, and we're going to mow down this first-year prairie that we planted. A lot of it's weedy or native weeds like ragweed. But we also got a lot of good stuff that came up. Black-eyed Susan, some grasses, some partridge pea. But now we're going to mow it down because I'm going to seed it again this late fall, early winter, and see what comes up next year. So stay tuned. Hey y'all, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, a share, really helps. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks. If you've been following the channel, you know that this area used to be thickly wooded, mostly dogwoods, then some larger trees like walnuts and oaks started moving in, and weedy trees like bush honeysuckle. So the power company asked, and they didn't have to, but they asked to come in and forestry mulch this whole area. And I made a video of that. I'll link it down in the description. And then I decided that this area we would seed with prairie grass and prairie wildflowers. So I have a video of that as well. I'll also link that in the description. Oops, I'm on my neighbor's property mowing the easement. Their power lines. Wonder if they'll be upset. Every time you brush hog, man. Let's go blow the radiator out. Normally I have my blower strapped to my brush mower. Holy crap, check out all these Asian lady beetles. It's an infestation. Anyway, usually I have my blower strapped to the brush mower. My blower strapped to the brush mower. Anyway, I didn't today, so we're grabbing it. By the way, I am listening to some Stevie Ray Vaughan today. And yeah, I just take a bungee cord and strap my blower to the frame of the brush mower, and off I go. That's better. Well, as you can see, this dead pine is starting to lean in the wind, and I'm just going to push her over with the tractor. This thing is so rotten that I thought it would be pretty light, but it is super heavy. I'm wondering if the root ball here is just full of fat wood. It is insanely heavy. Here's your reminder to check your bolts. This thing had backed off. I didn't even realize it. My wife found this on the trails. And yeah, now the threads are all boogered up. So I went and bought a new one. And then I'll put a little Loctite on the threads and tighten her down. We got the new one installed, and the other side was still hanging on. We tightened that one down too. So remember, any insignificant bolt can be loose. You never know. Either put some witness marks on them or check them regularly.